How to fix Powershell popping up randomly. Hey everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First step, you need to disable Powershell from Startup. For that, right click on a Start menu and select Task Manager. From here, you need to simply go to the Startup tab and now look for any programs like Windows Terminal or Powershell. And then you need to right click on it and disable it. And once you have done that, you need to check whether Powershell popping up randomly has been fixed or not. If not, follow second step. Disable Windows Update Service. Click on the Start menu again and you can simply type Services and open it. If this didn't work, you can use search icon as well. Click Open button after finding Services. After you open it, find Windows Update Service. Scroll down a bit. Once you find it, you can simply double-click on Windows Update. In the Startup type, you can click on drop-down and select Disable option and click Stop button instead of Start and click Apply and OK to save the changes. After that, your Powershell popping up randomly will be fixed. If not, you can simply restart your computer once because sometimes simply restarting your device will fix and then it will apply the changes. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.